Hello friends, welcome back to tutorial and in this video we are going to discuss about HTML5 to Angular. So that means what? We have HTML template and I will show you how you can convert that into Angular project. So let's start. In the previous video we had created this components, different components, header, footer, left, right and center, and we had merged together in app component. In this video I will show you how to convert the design into Angular component. So let's go to Google and write here a softtek HTML template GitHub. So here you will find, and let's go to repositories and then responsive bootstrap responsive template, okay, and then download from here. So this is our HTML. Just copy it, and what I will do, I'll just copy inside our project here. Right now let's open it. So guys, this is basically the project which we will be covering, and we will be converting this into our HTML. This HTML, this is a plain HTML as you can see. So we will convert this into Angular project. Okay, I will show you step by step. So stay connected and watch this video till end. Alright, so let's start. Now go inside this. Let's close this, and here JS, images and CSS. Just copy first this, and then src, then assets. Inside assets we will copy this, paste here. Okay, now next task will be to, where is your file? Here. Next task will be to open this file into your editor. For example, here we are going to open here inside Visual Studio Code. Now what we need to do, excluding this body, don't copy this body, okay, copy from here to here. So click on this also, footer, alright, and then okay, we will JavaScript and CSS will copy later. So just copy all these things and go into our index.html of our project, which is inside, yeah, this one. Okay, so not this one, actually app component.html. So just remove everything and paste here. Okay, so somewhere there is error. Let's find what is the error. Okay, at the rate it says that we cannot use at the rate. So okay, now if you check into the browser, just close it, and this one also. Now you can see the HTML file has come but without CSS. So next step will be just remove to copy from, where is header component, left component, close all this, from this index. We have to copy all these files. Okay, next, since we are already including here bootstrap, so except bootstrap we will copy everything else. This is font awesome, and okay, this is font awesome, not bootstrap actually. so that is fine. But here we need to assign the path, so it will be assets and then css, and then inside that what was here, bootstrap main.css. So simply write here assets css style.css. so same way we'll just copy here slash css. Similarly here also. That's it. Now I think there is one JavaScript file here, just copy it and then assets and yes, okay, fine. Now okay, so that's it. Now let's check. Okay, it didn't work. That means what? Our CSS is not working properly. Now let's check here. Assets and then CSS min. Head. There is no that file actually here inside head, so somewhere it's not compiled or what. Let's do one thing, recompile it. Okay, got successfully compiled. And now yes, so now if you refresh, then you can see it has come successfully. Since we are already using bootstrap here, so let's comment this because there is conflicting, so that might be the reason why header is distorting. Okay, and also now we need to check this images, right? Now let's go to our app component.html, and here also we need to provide assets, then images, logo. Yeah, logo has come successfully. So similarly we need to, and as you can see our slider is working perfectly. Okay guys, now you can see the design is now successfully converted into our, so there are a few images I think which are still missing. Okay, so all images has come here. one of the image is missing. Assets is not there. Here okay, so now all images has come. What we will do now, we will convert into all the components. For example, we had created in the previously header component and then footer component and center component. There is no left and right in this, so we will not use that. So here let's first check about the header and footer component. Okay, this is container and this one is navbar and menu line, and this is slider. Okay, so these two parts we will keep inside our header section. Okay, so let's go to header HTML and simply paste here. Now once again come back here, and here I'll write app header. And now let's check into the browser. What happens? div tag already been closed somewhere. Where? Header component line number 62. Line number 62. So where is that? This nav is up to here. So do we need to remove this? Let's check. Yeah, that's fine, but now it has come this way. Okay, actually I made a mistake. We should take the whole thing from here. Just paste again, and that is why it was displaying error here. Now it's fine, and then simply call here app header. That's it. Now check into the browser. So now it's perfect. So whole thing is coming from header. This is header section, header component. Now let's go to footer component. So what we will do, let's find the footer section in this. Yeah, this is footer section. Just cut from here, and we will write here app footer. That's it. So what we will do, footer app footer. It's done here. So we need to paste inside app footer. This is this is center. Footer. App footer inside this. Okay. So now this is your header and this is footer, and center section is, let's close all these things. So the remaining one is footer center section. Now this center section, what I want is that okay, let's cut everything and app center, and inside our center section we will paste it. Okay, now let's check. So guys, as you can see, you have successfully converted this HTML template. This is our HTML template, right? Do you see any much difference? Not much difference, right? So guys, this is HTML template and this is our Angular project. So successfully we have converted. But yes, I know this is not functional, but in the next video I will cover about router, so that when you click any menu the content should appear here. Guys, that's it in this video. Hope you understand, and if you like this video, don't forget to comment and also subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.